Hi, so I wanted to share my experience with Pop-On. As like many of you were probably very skeptical about the product, the durability, and just the quality. I know I was. It took me about 3 or 4 months, really following it, looking at the reviews, seeing the testimonials, and then just reaching out to customer service, asking questions, trying to see if this was the right fit for me. My teeth are not horrible, but I do have some missing teeth, and what really made me want to move forward is I do a lot of social events in the community, helping out, and when I take pictures, my teeth, the inconsistencies really show up. So I said I'm gonna do it. I locked in and I ordered top and bottom of the Pop-On veneers. Now, I've got them in yesterday. I tried them on. They are fantastic. They fit really, really tight to your teeth, to the point that you might have some trouble getting them off. I went with the color Hollywood White. So I will put them on and I will show you. And one of the cool things is they did come with teeth molds. So I have actual molds of my actual teeth, what that looks like. And then nice little carrying case, cleaning tablet, and toothbrush. So I'll go ahead and pop them in for you guys. So as you can see, I don't have the missing tooth anymore. There is a slight lisp, but I think over time you will start getting more acclimated to it and your body will get used to it and you'll be able to speak normal. But this is Hollywood White and they are popping. They have gave me my confidence back. Not worried about taking pictures. Now I'm more eager to smile with a beautiful, large white smile. But yeah, that's my review. Have a good one.